Whew. 6:30 Saturday morning. Just waiting on Tyler. He's going to be about 45 minutes late, which is actually not as late as he normally is. Finally loaded up, hooked up, and ready to roll out. An hour behind schedule because Goober cannot manage to wake up and be punctual. So if we run into no more issues whatsoever, we might get to ride today. Keep coming. Be the first time this thing's moved with bikes in it to go anywhere.
Everybody's talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go.
Just stopped at the first rest area in Virginia. We're about halfway. Check the bikes and see how everything looks in here. Everything looks good. I'd say the wheel chocks are 100% success. Everything looks good, yeah.
Great.
Nice.
My bike looks like it's living a little more than it was. But...
yeah, your bike sucks anyway. Oh, we need to hit the...
tearing. And that's from soft to intermediate terrain. You will, if you're riding a pure sand track, you guys are back east and it's all sand, you're going to get more life out of these tires. But if you're doing an intermediate to soft and you're going back and forth between some tracks, I would say maximum 12 hours for my riding style. Of course, it might be more if you guys are a little slower and you're...
Made it to 421. Thanks to Tyler, we're only 45 minutes late. Should still get a lot of seat time today. Just rolled up in a sick Sprinter. That's bad.
wheels are fat ass.
A little too rich for my taste, though. Kids are riding in style over there, dude. What do you think, that Cobra 50s or something?
Probably. They're fucking KTM sponsored riders. Oh.
track's definitely not the best shape I've ever seen it today. It seems like they tilled it maybe like 2 or 3 days ago and then just let it set. Maybe it got cold a few nights, and I don't know, some of these dirt clods feel like rocks, but just not the normal ruts and good dirt feeling you get from 421. And on top of that, the new design is not very cool. It's got like 1 or 2 jumps, and the rest are just big rolling like anthill camel hump things. So I don't know, a little disappointed in track prep, but it's still been a really fun day out here. As you can see, it's getting pretty dusty out there. So I figured out what my popping noise was, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but the whole stem's moving inside there. I don't know if it's gotten loose somehow, or if the bearings are just shot. Tyler's thrown. This is a fun finder, but I think all RV tanks are pretty much standard. Tyler's thrown in the towel for the day. He's working on the hot water tank. I'm about to take that Jewel out there and absolutely abuse it. Getting dusty and dry out here. Going after this last session, I'm gonna come back, take a cold shower, find some grub down the road somewhere, relax a little bit. Break out this puppy tomorrow. That little pinhole.
Oh yeah, I see it. There's nothing coming out of it.
Something bad in here.
Probably. So we're just not doing something right.
MX421 was a success until another day. Loaded up and ready to roll to Traveler's Rest MX to test the Alta. See that right there? That is North Carolina dirt all over my chain. Let's hit the road. Along the roadside for repairs here. We had a miscommunication with the guy that installed our sway bar here, and it was it had too little play in it, so when we took a right turn, it bent our hitch. It's a $250 Reese hitch. So and when it bent the hitch, it jammed the sway bar on to where we couldn't get it off. The pins were stuck. So luckily I had packed the Sawzall and a couple batteries, and the Ryobi strikes again and bails us out as usual. Right?
Yeah. Whew.
Well, we made it to a Walmart. Not a super center, but a Walmart. And we're going to stay here tonight. We aren't sure what we're going to do with the bikes, but we managed to get his bike out of the chalk, push back here far enough to get that bed down, and then my bed came down far enough right on top of my handlebars where I shouldn't have a problem sleeping up there. So it's getting late. It's about 11 o'clock. So track opens up at 7 in the morning, practice at 11. So I'm going to hit the hay and then get up and try to go ride some Altas in the morning. Up and at 'em. Slept in this Walmart parking lot last night. Only got down to 50. Got a little chilly, but wasn't too bad for the first night in the camper. So going to ride some Altas.